Good day, my people. You all are welcome. Look at this picture on your screen. That news is coming from Arise News. It wrote, Anioma State creation proposal has garnered support from about 90 senators, surpassing the constitutional threshold for state creation. Under it wrote, about 90 senators back bill for Anioma State creation in push for Southeast equity. First of all, before I start, may Chukwu bless Senator Ned Nwoko for everything that he's doing to make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality. Out of 109 senators in Nigeria, 90 have backed up Anioma State creation. They showed support for Anioma State to become a reality. Those 90 senators are supporting Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. Anioma State proposal is not for the state to be in the south. No, is to be zoned to the southeast. As you can see it in the news, they wrote it there. For equity, justice and fairness for the southeast. In the zones all around the country, only southeast have 5 states. Others have 6. North Central have 7. You see, so the southeast are being marginalized. Yes, because others not go just get more than 5 states. Southeast get only 5. Now cheating be that. It's not fair. Anioma State agitation did not start today. It don't take. Anioma State agitation is long overdue, and it started with our father in person of Chief Dennis Osadebe. May he rest in power. He and his team started the agitation of Anioma State, and our senator Awolo Alosia Jejogo in person of Senator Ned Nwoko wants to make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality. And during the time of our father Chief Dennis Osadebe, their agitation was for Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast, for Anioma people to coexist with their brothers. If the language of Anioma people is not Igbo language, no one will be clamoring for Anioma State to be created and to be zoned to the southeast. In Nigeria, they believe that southeast is for Igbo people alone. They believe that southeast is for Igbo states, anything Igbo. So why should Anioma State be created and not be zoned to the southeast? During the public hearing that was organized by the House of Senate, Anioma people that represented in Uyo and in Enugu State, they all said that they want Anioma State to be actualized and zoned to the southeast. During the public hearing that was also organized by the House of Reps, Anioma people that went to Bayelsa State and Enugu State to represent Anioma State agitation, they said that they want Anioma State to be actualized and zoned to the southeast. So Anioma people wants to be in the southeast, not south. And the senators from Nigeria have all showed support for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. If you come to Anioma, our culture, our tradition, everything about Anioma people is Igbo. Our language is Igbo. Ukwane language is Igbo language. Oshibili language is Igbo language. Anyocha language is Igbo language. Ika language is Igbo language. All these dialects and languages makes up Anioma people. Ika local government, Ndokwa local government, Ukwane local government, Oshimili local government, Anyocha local government. All these local governments are Igbo speaking local governments. Anioma people makes up 9 local governments in Delta North. Anioma is big enough to be a state of its own. Anioma State is bigger than Lagos State. Anioma State is bigger than Anambra State. So Anioma State is big enough to be a state. Anioma land have the resources to manage its state when created. Anioma land have great people that can manage Anioma State. Anioma State have the ability to create jobs and opportunities for Anioma people. Anioma have everything it takes to be a country of its own. The natural resources are there. The manpower are there. Name it. Anioma is bigger than some countries in Europe. So we Anioma people, we are at the winning edge. We are at the peak. If any state should be given to the southeast, that state should be Anioma State. We Anioma people, we don't want to be in the south. We want to be in the southeast. And Senator Ned is working for it to be a reality. Before 90 senators out of 109 senators in Nigeria will support Anioma State creation and for it to be zoned to the southeast, you should know that Senator Ned Nwoko have followed every legal procedure to make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality. And that was why these senators supported Anioma State to be actualized. Just look at this beautiful map here. Just look at how Anioma State fits into the southeast. Anioma State is southeast land. Anioma State is southeast territory. Some people are saying Anioma State cannot be in the southeast, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Anioma State is previously in western region, is previously in midwestern region. Anioma State is in south. Edo State and Delta State were together before. Both of them were in western region. They complained of marginalization and they left western region and they were made midwestern region. Now from midwestern region, they complained of marginalization. In that midwestern region, Delta people, Urobo people started agitating that they are being marginalized by the Benis. And for that, the state was divided into two. We now have Delta states and Edo states. They were divided and they are now known as South states. Now we Anioma people, we want to get Anioma State to leave South and join our Southeast brothers. So if we can leave Western region, if we can leave Midwestern region, I believe we can leave South and join the Southeast where we belong. Democracy is all about what the people want. Anioma people want to be joined to the Southeast where they belong. The government should give us what we want. They should grant our heart desires. Anioma State is a done deal. Anioma State is a go. No going back. And in this Anioma State agitation, Ibanke people, which are the Igbos in Edo State, will be carved out from Edo State to join Anioma State where they belong. Some people are saying, this Ibanke people, they are in Edo State. There's no way they will leave Edo State. Nobody from Edo State will be joined to Anioma State. Blah, 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 blah. All those people are just wasting their time. Ibanke people are the ones to decide where they want to belong. Ibanke people said that they want to join Anioma State. They want to coexist with their Ika brothers. So I don't think the governor of Edo State has the power to stop Ibanke people from joining Anioma State. I don't think the senator of Edo South can stop Ibanke people from joining Anioma State. He don't have that power. Anioma State is the power of the federal government. The actualization of Anioma State will be decided by the federal government and not by those governors and senators from Edo State. Ibanke people are Anioma people. Anioma people should be ready to celebrate because Senator Ned Nwoko have done so well. We are just waiting for the state to come for us to embrace it. May Chuku bless Senator Ned Nwoko. May Chuku bless Ibanke people. May Chuku bless Anioma people. May Chuku bless the Southeast and the entire Igbo race for the support that they have showed to we Anioma people to make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality. Igbo Bofu, power to the Igbo race. Ishiagwale.